Pork what?
A pork sup.
Pork what?
Pork loin. This piece of meat is very underrated.
Why is it so underrated?
It's a very lean piece of pork, cooks quickly, it's super cheap. I mean, I use this cut all the time and I always have a good time with it. First thing, take off this little sinew here.
First thing is to acknowledge that a real man feels confident enough to wear pink.
Sorry, what?
How about that?
What the fuck did you just say to me? Alright, so meal's in pink today. That's what we've all clarified. Things is a real man, not a real man. I'm gonna cut it down the middle like this. Cut it nice and thin. This way.
Did you just say I'm not a real man?
You know what? If you was a real man, you know what you would do? You'd just eat this whole garlic right now. Oh, fuck.
What, man?
Oh, you smell a garlic. That's gross. Holy shit. And I feel sorry for any girl who's kissing you tonight, Emil.
I'm gonna come make out with you in your sleep, boy.
I'm gonna fucking knock you out. Alright, we got our pork cut up. This costs like, in English money, £3. How about £3.50? All of that, and it's all nice lean meat, and it cooks quick.
Isn't lean another word for right?
Lean is a word you'd use for my body.
I don't.
Fucking hey, mate. Olive oil in there. Basically, what we plan to do is get this super cooked out. Well, I thought there wasn't going to be a sizzle there.
Under that garlic would get my stomach. I usually eat raw garlic on an empty stomach. Not a good idea.
If you was a real man, it wouldn't have affected you.
Do it.
I ain't fucking do it.
Pussy number one.
You think I'm fucking stupid enough to eat a whole garlic? Fucking what do you live on?
I think you're a pussy.
We're gonna make a hot sauce. This is where it goes fucking down. So we got a pepper here.
Do not block my shot with that cup. How about that?
How about you suck my bowl? Alright, we take like the little off trimmings for our sauce. And we're gonna keep these to go through our pork. In the old cup. 1, 2, 3. Don't move the pan. So there's loads of water coming out right now. If you shake it about, lots more water will piss out and it's gonna start boiling. So you just leave it alone. Now back to chili sauce. 1/4 onion in. 3 garlics. Habaneros coming. Too much for a meal.
Can't believe you still haven't eaten the whole garlic.
Gochujang. Gochujang, Korean chili paste. Said this before in my videos.
Pussy number one.
They sell this in any store now. If you don't know about it, go and buy it. It tastes incredible. You know what I say? No honey, no money. Apple cider vinegar. Quite a bit. Splash. Now you've seen that the water has evaporated. Now we can start moving it around.
You ain't got the answer.
You ain't got the answer.
You ain't got the answer. That ain't Ralph though.
Okay, this is the colour we want. A little bit of char, a little bit of brownness. Wow.
Ooh, hoo, hoo. Get a kick of that. Whoa.
Say love, baby. I don't have a serrated knife, so don't judge me. Please don't fuck up. Please don't fuck up. Come on. Come on, come on, come on.
Careful of your fingers, Floyd.
Shut the fuck up. Come on. The perfect cut.
First cut is the deepest.
Lettuce.
So that's about an 18-incher that baguette. You're not used to working with anything more than 4 inches, so I thought you were going to ask me to help you out for a second there. Seeing as I handle a glorious 20 inches on a daily basis. Gigantic slog. That roundhouse kick will find you, mate.
Alright, this is ready now. It's all just coaty. It's going to be spectacular, Jeff. Oh, I'm so scared it's going to fall over.
You almost did knock it over right there.
Shit.
Mate, like I said, you're a 4-inch kind of guy. This is too many inches for you.
American cheese.
America. This cheese on bottom of the meat business. This guy doesn't know how to build us up.
Right, here's the scheme, right? Because I don't want to put it in the oven, I don't want to risk anything falling over. I'm going to put the meat on top of the cheese, and the residual heat from the meat was going to melt the cheese.
Oh yes. Pork me up.
A little bit of sesame seeds. Fresh cheese.
Some fresh processed cheese. I knew you'd need my help.
Who are you to talk to me about inches? Find out exactly how many this is. So we got 50 centimeters.
It'll be around 18.
We're gonna eat.
Just over, at 19 or 20. Fucking hell. Jesus. That hot sauce. Beautiful. That is fantastic. That sauce is like the MVP. That sauce is, man, it might be the best pork sandwich I've ever had. In fact, it probably is.
That sauce is amazing. I reckon you could have that with noodles. If you made that pork and threw some noodles in there.
Yeah, that would
Oh
go.
shit.
Ooh, that complements the pork so well. That is a winner. I recommend that to anyone to try. Jesus, that is really, really good. I guess when life gives you lemons, don't put them in your hot sauce.
When life gives you lemons, eat a garlic. How about that?
Pussy number 1.